know, sometimes instead of me to look at the lens, I'm like checking myself.
Oh my god, I'm always looking over there.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aisha, and if you're new to this channel, you're welcome. So in this vlog today, I'm going to go out and meet my friend. We sat next to each other on the airplane from LA. So yeah, so I'm waiting on my Uber now, and I'm gonna make a few stops before I get there, and then I'm gonna meet her at Belle Meade Plantation. So see you there. Hey guys, so I'm here with my friend Crystal.
There I am.
Yeah, we're gonna tell you the crazy story of how we met. So now we're about to eat from the Harding house at the Belle Meade Plantation. So we'll show you our food, but we'll tell you a story later. And do you like my eyes? These are all the fantastic wine you're gonna have.
This still needs a glass. I'm gonna drink some wine.
Yep.
Here you are, Sarah. Johnny glasses. You're all joining us.
Oh yeah, nice.
Where's the vineyard?
Okay. I want to ask her where these were grown.
What?
I want to ask her the grapes were grown.
Oh yeah.
You just said 40.
But they're exclusive to coming here.
All right, guys. How was your tour?
Great.
Y'all learned a lot? Yeah. Very good. Not as much as the guy out there. Still continuing to learn. Old dad right here. All right. Well, we opened our doors, guys, in 2009, and we were Nashville's first winery. And that is the extent of history and mystery. We have a vineyard that sits just south of us in Hampshire, Tennessee. That is where we grow the grapes for our Tennessee wines. We also lease vineyards in Washington and California, only because those grapes don't like this weather, so we let them grow out there. They ship us the juice. We do all the production here in Tennessee. So we're going to be walking through 4 wines together. 3 of those are Tennessee grapes. We did throw in a West Coast grape for good measure. We'll begin with some dry wines, and then we'll end with those sweet Tennessee traditional wines, which is what we are known for. So hopefully we will hit on all your favorites by the end of it. All right, Carriage House White. This is in that middle section, green label. This is the first one we're trying together. This is a Tennessee wine. It's a Vidal Blanc grape. And this is going to have notes of sour apple as well as a lot of citrus. If you have ever had a Pinot Grigio or a Sauvignon Blanc, this may remind you of that. Very crisp and refreshing. Goes down quite easy. You will see pretty soon.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Yes. Thank you. Round 2. Now this is going to go well with lighter dinner fare. So chicken, fish, anything of that nature will be really good with this wine. It's also great just for enjoying outdoors on a hot day like today. We call this our porch pounder.
The classic whites.
Are we related to the bourbon? We went to that distillery.
Did you?
I wasn't paying enough attention to the.
To that bottom section, you're going to find Big Wind Zen. This is an old vine Zinfandel grown in Lodi, California. Old vine just means the vines that the grapes grow on is at least 50 years old, giving this wine a nice earthiness. Now this will stand up to heavier dinner fare. If you have plans for steak or venison, any kind of gamey meat in the near future, I would recommend teaming that with a bottle of Big Wind Zen.
So which is better between the two?
I like that one. That one's good.
Yeah.
While y'all are enjoying that, I'll show off our wick and globe set. This is a real fun way to keep a bottle hanging around the home. Just keep in mind, you're supposed to drink the wine. This is lamp oil. Get to that top section, you'll find red muscadine. Are any of you familiar with the actual fruit, muscadine grape?
No.
All right. Well, you'll know right away. This tastes just like the actual fruit. If you aren't familiar with muscadine grapes, they're very large, about the size of ping pong balls. They have a thick skin, and you peel the skin off before you eat them. Now this, while it's sweet, I would recommend it as a table wine to go with spicy dishes. It works really well with spice, so curry, natural
Spicy.
chicken, anything like that would go on.
Oh, it has the nutty. Yeah, the nutty caramel.
We need our blackberry wine. This is going to be a dessert wine. It's the sweetest wine we have at Belle Meade. It will go down like juice, but fair warning, it is still 12% alcohol.
And what is it called, you said?
Blackberry, the first one on your list.
It's like a port wine.
It's not quite, but it is a dessert wine. So this is going to go well with sharp cheese or dark chocolate or a second glass. A few last things before we wind up, guys. I'm sure you can see the place we get our wine. We use
Bright drinking team. Just played. Good things are coming. Yes. I love you more than pumpkin anything. We just finished the mansion tour.
Oh,
That's the mansion.
The mansion
Come in. And
we did.
we're about to, where are we going now?
We're going to the carriage house, which is right in front of us,
Yeah.
where they would, I guess, put the horses in the carriage.
Yeah. Makes sense.
Oh, this one's beautiful.
Oh, you can go in. There's some of the horses. The baby one.
They don't even have names written. It's literally just like their ages.
It's so hot. They're the horses. Like 2 horses.
We walked right by the dollhouse. Creepy. So is the mausoleum, though.
Oh yeah, that's the creepiest. Dead bodies.
Dead bodies were pretty creepy.
Oh, is there a deer park there?
That is, like, this is what I believe when it was like 5,400
Oh,
acres.
yeah.
And then this is what it is now.
Hey guys, so
Hello.
we just finished the tour. It was such an amazing mansion. Wait, let me. Yeah. So, crazy story or funny story. How did we meet?
We met like 2 years ago, I think, on a plane from from somewhere to Los
Vegas.
Angeles. Vegas, probably.
Yeah.
Probably Vegas.
Yeah.
I'm always flying through Vegas for work. I travel for work, so I'm always on an airplane. Sometimes I meet friends.
Yeah, and we sat like right next to each other and switched contact, and here we are.
And I'm moving to Nashville now.
Yeah. And she's an amazing singer and a makeup
Aw,
artist, so
thank you.
check her out. Link her down below.
Thank you.
So yeah, if you like this vlog and you want more of this kind of vlog, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.